So when I was 7 years old, I got this pair of pink Barbie rollerblades for my birthday. And when I took them off, I had this insanely swollen left ankle. And everybody was like, oh, you must have twisted your ankle somehow or done something like that. We went to the hospital and took some x-rays, and I needed a cast for quite a while. And unfortunately, when they took the cast off, they realized that my ankle was just as swollen as it had been when we put it on. I was 9 years old when I was diagnosed with juvenile idiopathic arthritis. From the time that I became symptomatic, my arthritis traveled all over my body. And it was something that I kept very private for a long, long while until I decided I wanted to give back. And that was my kind of gateway into public health and eventually to the Arthritis Foundation. That put me on a journey to get to where I am now, where I get to do this not only with policymakers, but also with medical product developers and researchers and people across the healthcare continuum to make sure that they can hear from patients and decide the future and decide solutions with patients kind of hand in hand. When it comes to making healthcare decisions that work for communities, the most important stakeholder that you can listen to is the person who's going to be receiving care, the patient. Feeling confident for the first time that my experience didn't have to be a negative one and one that I could take ownership of by sharing my story and using it as fuel for good, for common change. And that was one of the most empowering moments of my life. It was a turning point in my life. It took me from a 10-week internship into a career that I want to pursue for a lifetime. I'm Julie Eller. I'm the Director of Patient-Centered Strategies at the Arthritis Foundation, and I am bio.